Welcome back, guys. We are so excited. We are done with the room home.
Zach.
I'm Colleen.
Together we make SteadyStreaminCashios. It's a 1976 Airstream Sovereign 31 footer.
If you have followed along on our channel, you'll see that this one got stripped down all the way to the bare bones, built back up. But now we get to show you the finished pretty part. This is the dining room slash guest bedroom. As always, this table pushes down. We'll show you what that looks like. And as always, if you look on both sides, we have storage. Let me go ahead and clarify this because we get so many questions about where do you keep the extra pillows? You have many options. You can keep it underneath your bed in the back if you're not going to use it often, or if you think you're going to have guests over often, you're going to convert it into a bed. They fit nice and easy right here. There's two cushions. Easy access. I will let Zach show all of the solar components. It's in the very front. We decided to keep it up here so we didn't make the bed too heavy.
So this is, there's plenty of storage underneath here. Both sides open up. Alright, so this is all the electrical guts. We've got the converter charger, charge controller, 120 panel, automatic transfer switch, 50 amp. Got our inverter. Down below we've got 4 batteries, and we also have our fuse block over here. We've got a total of 4 100 watt Renovated solar panels up top. And just like that, we now have a bed.
12 volt sconces right here and right there. The 2 speakers, these are original speakers, they still work. We put in a new radio. Behind these pillows, extra storage. More storage. This is a cubic wood stove. Pipe goes up. This is a nice fan that will automatically kick on to kind of circulate some of the heat around. Moving on to heat. So this is a Greystone 21-inch range, which is so nice. It's so big. The 3 burners that lift up. 3 nice burners. So there you go. And we actually had a local guy make all of our tables and countertops for us. And then Zach stained it. It looks amazing. Underneath this first one is the furnace. Our favorite little hidden outlet. Pops up and then you can put it down when you don't need it anymore. This beautiful black tile right here. And then another light. And I think that this is a 20-inch sink. Super nice. Pretty deep. We have our first drawer right here. Some extra cabinet storage right here. On this side, we have an extra butcher block that will pull out right here. So really, if you're in the kitchen, you have plenty of countertops just in this area, and there's also a huge coffee bar in the back that you'll be able to use also. And these 2 are just typical drawers. Storage. Underneath here is your water pump. You can see your fresh water tank. You can see where the furnace ductwork goes. Moving on to right here, we have a nice little side pantry. We also did this because we wanted the wood burning stove to have plenty of room of an air gap between the fridge just so it didn't overheat the fridge. Here, fridge and freezer combo. Open it up. This is where they will put their microwave. We still have to put a cover plate, so don't look. Right up above here we have a fan. Moving on to the coffee bar area, we have more storage up here. Nice little extra countertop. You could use it as a standing desk. You can use it as extra prep room. A huge drawer right here. And 2 cabinets right here for more storage. Up above we have a Coleman AC. It does not have a heat pump. And the thermostat right here will control the furnace and the AC. We have a nice little hallway light switch. Moving on to the closet area. Get 3 drawers. This bottom one right here is obviously smaller because the wheel well is behind. So if you open up the closet, his and hers, plenty of storage. And before we leave the storage in the closet area, we'll have one more drawer underneath the bed, which will be perfect for shoes or anything else they want. Moving on to the bathroom, Zach made this sliding door. This is a Nature's Head toilet. It's our favorite composting toilet, the one that we will always recommend. It is vented out to the side. Little access if they ever needed to access their hot water heater because it is tucked in underneath there. Some storage for towels. A pull-out drawer right here. What's nice about this is we built this down a little bit so you have extra elbow room. A lot of times we'll try to get the most storage we can and just build it right here. It's a little tight right here. It's not that big of a deal, but this is pretty nice to have elbow storage. And then obviously just storage underneath the sink. I have a nice big shower. We tied in the towel from the kitchen right here. Obviously shower, plexiglass right here. And like Zach explained in the last video, this is that molding, wood molding that we found, the bendable to hold the plexiglass. Works really well. And then this is a little fan to suck some of the steam out. So back here, this is going to be a queen bed setup. The platform is bigger. We have 2 sconces, both speakers, and if you look right there, you will see where your furnace ductwork comes out, so you have heat in the bedroom. Now behind here, and it's just deep storage down there. A little storage right down here. It's very deep, so you could throw blankets or towels. Here is our light for the 4 puck lights that are in here. Here is another fan. All underneath is just nothing but open storage and some PEX line to go to the freshwater inlet. And we cannot wait to start on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite part about this Airstream is. Stay steady.